Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by isolating the problem. Test a wired connection versus Bluetooth and confirm audio balance is centered. Look for obvious damage on the ear cup and cable. Once done, charge the battery above 50% to rule out power dropouts. Make sure the paired device isn't muting one channel, and swap left and right on another source so you know it's the Solo 3, not the phone or laptop. Now gather basic tools: small Torx or Phillips spudger, multimeter, and soldering kit. You remove the ear cup and expose the internal assembly, being careful with plastic clips. Once open, visually inspect the speaker driver and flex cables for disconnection. Use a multimeter to check continuity between jack, driver, and PCB. This tells you whether the fault is a broken wire, a failed driver, or a loose solder joint. If you find a broken trace or cracked solder, reflow the joint. If a cable is frayed, splice or replace it. Make sure to keep screws and parts organized for reassembly. You perform the repair. Resolder joints with a fine tip, replace the flex cable or speaker driver if tests failed, and secure the battery and PCB back in place. Once reassembled, test wired audio first. If that works, pair Bluetooth and recheck left-right balance. If the other side still doesn't play, try swapping in a known good driver or component to confirm. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent sound remains, clean contact points with isopropyl alcohol and reflow any dull, cracked solder. This fixes most silent side issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.